or you want to change colors, you need to learn how to change color step by step.
Step 1 for the stitch before the pattern says to switch colors, crochet like normal until right before you get to the last yarn over. In this example, the stitch before the color change is a single crochet, so pause when you have 2 loops of green yarn on the hook. Step 2, take blue and drape it on the hook. The yarn tail should be on the side of the hook, closer to you. Step 3, pinch the new yarn with your left hand to help give it enough tension so you can pull new blue color through the loops on the hook. There should be 1 loop of blue color left on the hook. Step 4, insert the hook under the top loops of the next stitch, plus green working yarn and new blue yarn tail. Step 5, crochet the stitch written in the pattern like normal using blue working yarn. Remember to pull the working yarn under any unused yarn and through the stitch every time. Step 6, yarn over and pull the yarn through loops on the hook. Remember to do this above the unused yarn every time. Step 7, repeat the above steps. So continue to crochet 8 stitches. When you're done, cut it as close to the piece as possible.